Hello everyone, welcome to Lessons Today and welcome to another lesson in our lessons for A1 level learners in English. And in this lesson, we'll be looking at the verb to be in the past tense. Let's begin. What do we use the verb to be in the past tense to talk about? We use it to talk about the state of being in the time that has passed. So for anything that happened in any time that has passed, we use the verb to be. Now let's see how we can build the structure of the verb to be using the subject I, you, he, she, and it, and we, and they. Now here are they. For the subject I, the verb form we use for the verb to be is was. For you, we use were. He, she, and it, we use was. For we, it's were. They, you use were. So a tip or the rule of thumb here is for all the singular subject, you use was. And for all the plural subject, we use were. I, which is a singular subject, we use was for it. And you, which functions as both a singular and a plural subject, we use a plural structure of the verb to be for it, which is were. He, she, and it being singular subject, we use was. We and they being plural subject, we use were. Now let's see examples of these to reinforce our learning. Examples in sentences, we have I was at the park yesterday. You were eating an apple. He was walking to school. She was making lunch last week. It was sick on Tuesday. We were late last night. They were at school last week. We see that in each individual sentence, the structure or the verb form used corresponds to the subject used. When it was I, we used a singular form of the verb to be, which was. For you, which functions as both a singular and a plural subject, we used were. And it goes on all the way to they, which is a plural subject, so we used were. Remember, for singular subject, use was, and for plural subject, use what? Were. This will be it for this lesson. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos. I'll see you in the next one, and if you need a grammar book that contains everything you need to build a solid foundation in grammar, check out link below for one, and you can also find a link below in the description to book a private lesson for yourself or for your friends. Remember to practice till you get better. I'll see you next time.